Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely opening your laptop and applying the thermal paste correctly. Start by powering off your HP 15BW05NS and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery by sliding the release latch and lifting it out. This step is crucial to prevent any electrical damage while you work. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the clips that hold the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the CPU and GPU, which are typically covered by a heatsink. Remove the screws securing the heatsink using your Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the heatsink away from the CPU and GPU. You may need to wiggle it slightly to break the seal of the old thermal paste. Now it's time to clean the old thermal paste from both the CPU and the heatsink. Use isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth or coffee filter to gently wipe away the old paste. Ensure that both surfaces are clean and free of residue. This step is vital for the new thermal paste to adhere properly. Once cleaned, apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the center of the CPU. A pea-sized amount is usually sufficient. When you reattach the heatsink, the pressure will spread the paste evenly across the surface. Reposition the heatsink over the CPU and GPU, ensuring it aligns correctly with the screw holes. Secure it in place by tightening the screws you removed earlier. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the components. After securing the heatsink, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back on and reinsert all screws. Ensure everything is tightly secured to prevent any rattling or movement. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. Our service includes a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can be sure of what needs to be done before committing to any repairs. Finally, reinsert the battery and power on your laptop. Monitor the temperatures to ensure that the new thermal paste is functioning effectively. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in our services. No calls, no travel, just a simple, efficient solution to your laptop needs. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.